I'm going to show you a fully end-to-end CDD workflow in Tracelight for a market sizing project. So we've just gotten a request from our manager to get started on this project and to refer to an expert call we had yesterday in order to refresh our context. So we've just pulled up the main points from that call using Tracelight's MCP capabilities. Let's take a quick look at the data we're working with. And now we're going to build the market sizing model on top of that data using a Tracelight skill. Tracelight has built the market sizing model. Let's build a comprehensive PowerPoint deck to present this information to our manager. Tracelight has built the PowerPoint. Let's also create a Spreadsheet App dashboard so our manager can filter by segment and industry, as well as stress test any assumptions. Finally, we're going to write an email draft that we can open directly in Outlook with the Excel, PowerPoint, and dashboard attached.